Hi, my name is Matt with Quick Response Fire Supply. Today we're going to talk about cover plate installation tools, which are tools specifically designed to make installing fire sprinkler cover plates easier, especially in hard to reach places. Cover plate installation tools attach to 1-inch pipe to help extend your reach when installing concealed sprinklers. This helps eliminate the need for a ladder or otherwise climbing to reach the ceiling, which is especially handy when installing multiple cover plates in one project. Depending on the tool, these products are designed with either a magnet that keeps the cover in place or a latching mechanism to lock the cover, preventing the need to balance the cover during installation. Certain installation tools are only compatible with specific covers, meaning proper function may only be guaranteed with certain sizes or models of covers. For example, Viking offers cover plates with different outer diameters, so they have a large and small installation tool to compensate. Remember to always refer to the manufacturer datasheet for specific installation instructions. While these tools are extremely useful, there may be applications in which you should opt to install manually to ensure proper installation. To view our selection of cover plate installation tools, visit qrfs.com/CPIT.